out. My son likes to play with that. You guys got to check out what I just got in the mail. Oh boy. Look at that. An S&B. Oh, sweet. Well, anyways, I thought I would let you guys know. Recently got some parts for my truck. One of the things is a big line fuel kit for my 99 2500. So it's pretty cool. We'll be able to actually open the box, have you guys check it out, and see what you guys think. I also got an S&B air intake. I've noticed a difference after changing my fuel filter in my truck. Big difference. Obviously, it's a diesel, so you know, with diesel fuel and whatnot, they're dirty. So it makes sense why it would give you a little bit more horsepower, better fuel economy, that kind of thing. So I'm excited about this. I might not see a big difference in performance-wise, but as long as it's you know, better fuel, or not, I shouldn't say better fuel, but better airflow, that's really what I care about most. So let's check it out. Here we go. And sorry about my son. He's a funny boy. Wow, it comes with a weird package. It's my air insert. Some of the other stuff there. Here's my big line fuel kit. Oh, sweet. It's going to be exciting. I don't have an fuel pressure gauge yet, but what I might do is just set it up later with it. We'll see what happens. Man, this is pretty exciting. Oh yeah, pretty exciting. It looks like it's going to have some cold air intake, replacement air filter, filter wrap. Oh, okay. Oh, it just shows you a little bit more stuff that you can get, which that's fun. Hey, look at that, XDP. I already have that on there, some of the stuff there, and then here's my air box with my air filter inside. Sweet. Okay, I guess we're going to try it out. Well, guys, here is my stock intake box. It has a K&N air filter on it, but after buying it from my father-in-law, I found out that he hasn't even put a K&N air filter in it. I guess the guy that bought it before, that had it before him, was kind of a dork and decided he wanted to do it the way he wanted to do it, so it was kind of stupid. But anyways, thought I would let you know. And I guess here we go. We're gonna do it. out at one point. My battery died in my camera, so I just wanted to go back and show you guys what the deal is and what it looks like. And it looks pretty dang good. It's probably the cleanest part of this whole stinking engine. Gosh, yeah. Well, now the next point I'm going to be doing is a big line fuel kit. What it's going to be doing is going on top of that, which is going to be on the left side, and it's going to go down to my VP44 injection pump. And that's actually going to help a lot. Hopefully in the next 6 months or so. I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I'm going to hopefully get a remote mount fast fuel system on this truck. Next thing I'm going to do is do a exhaust. I do already have an exhaust on it. It's just really freaking old. You can kind of see it right here. It's an old exhaust. It is a 4-inch all the way back. It has had some welding gun work on it and whatnot, but it's just, yeah, I need to get it worked on. So it's looking pretty good. Those spots that are on the side of the doors, I'm going to be doing a rhino lining all the way on the bottom. So stick back for more details. I'll give you guys some more information later on. Thanks. Sounds pretty good. Figured I could sounds like you can hear the turbo a little bit more. We'll check it out. Go for a test drive. Okay, here we go. Check it out. 5-speed manual, so it might sound a little bit different here. turbo spool. So, little whistle, it works out.